Hey everybody, this is Matt coming to you up close and personal. I'm your odor expert. I'm over here at a dealership in Delray, Florida, and I'm going to be deodorizing this car, which has an interesting history. We don't know, but you know, it smells really bad. It smells mildewy and musty. You know, the car has got some issues. As you can see, it looks like it's been neglected and really abused. But you know, all of these things that you see here are odor magnets. They trap a lot of smell, and you know, with my little sprayer there, I get into the nooks and crannies, every square inch of the car. Yeah, this one has been left outside, and it's got a lot of, you know, water. You know, there's indication of some water damage there. But, you know, I have a two-part system. I can deal with the toughest jobs. Okay, my name is Matt. That's me right there. I'm at 954-589-3083. Hey, look, it's nice to be important, but it's more important to be nice, and you take it easy. And if it's real easy, take it twice.